and welcome to another ZarMoney training session. In this module, we'll be going over how to add a location or warehouse to your books in ZarMoney. This feature will allow you to keep track of your inventory from multiple warehouses all in the same place. Okay, let's get started. From any screen in ZarMoney, go to the upper right-hand corner and click your company preferences, which is the gear icon. From the left-hand sidebar, click Locations under Company. To add a new location, fill in the location name and any other information you'd like to keep track of. Then click Add New. And as you can see, the location has now been added to my company file. Okay, so how does that affect my inventory? Let's go see. When adding a new inventory item, you'll be able to enter the location info from the initial quantity on hand link. To enter location-specific reorder points, click on the location info link and fill out the appropriate quantities. Then click Save and Close. Okay, that's all for this training session. For more help, visit us at ZarMoney.com.